Hello, everybody. Welcome to week 31. I'm going to quickly go over what we're going to be working on this week. I also want to let you know right now that I will not be here on 4/8 or 4/9. So if you're in school or on Zoom, you'll have that video there to watch to let you know what you should be working on. But basically, you should know what you're working on at the end of this video. In Schoology, you'll see two assignments. One, Activity 3.1.3, Sustainable Design, and 3.1.3, How Big is Your Footprint? So I've got two things linked out here. I also have them linked inside the assignment itself, so check that out. Once you click into the assignment, you'll see what you're working on. So you're going to be looking into sustainable design and things dealing with that. So you're going to be considering the impact of potential engineering solutions on future generations and so forth and so on. So here are those links. So the first thing it says, take 5 minutes to write what you know for the definitions of environmentally friendly and sustainable design. Save your definitions to refer back to the end of this activity. So here you go. That's where you type those in. And you're basically just working your way through this assignment, filling in the blanks where they ask, putting in information where they ask, visiting resources when they tell you to, and everything else. So that's what you're working on for this activity. Reading, answering questions, filling in information where it wants you to. Then for the next assignment, which I'll be going over in the sub-day video, you're going to be figuring out how big your carbon footprint is, because we're talking about sustainable design. So, an ecological footprint concept is a way to roughly measure the impact of person's choices on the environment. People have become so accustomed to their diet, cars, homes, and energy usage that they don't realize that the Earth will not be able to provide the needed resources indefinitely. When students go online to calculate how many Earths it will take if everyone on the planet lives the way that they do, they will be astonished. For many students, it is the beginning of increased awareness about the balance of the planet. So you are going to be calculating your footprint. So you're going to be following along with the assignment and entering in information where it tells you to. So what is carbon footprint? Define. Click on the link and then answer the questionnaire to get your carbon footprint. You can follow along. It says, when finished, click skip to view my results, click to see details, paste a screenshot below. It should look like this, but it'll be your carbon footprint. Research carbon footprints and create a list of 5 things to reduce carbon footprints. What could you do to reduce your carbon footprint at home? So this is just making you aware of what all that is and how you impact it. Because like it said in this assignment, if we keep using the Earth the way that we are currently using it, we will at some point run out. Maybe not in our lifetimes, maybe not in the next lifetime, but at some point we will use all of the Earth's resources. And then what? So this is just making you consciously aware of that. So again, those two assignments are for you. Work on the activity, the sustainable design assignment first, and then I will reiterate what you're doing for this one in the sub-day instructions. So make sure you're working on the sustainable design. Check out those two links, read everything, and answer the questions. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to ask. If not, I'll see you guys in class and hope you have a great rest of your day.